Hello everyone, good day to you all. Welcome to Immerse Chef Recipes. In today's video we are going to make a yummy homemade banana ice cream recipe. So this is what we are going to make. You can see how yummy the ice cream is. I urge you to stay tuned to the end of this video. Yeah. So welcome back again to this channel. In today's video, like I said in the beginning, we are going to make homemade banana ice cream recipe. But before I get into that, if today is the first time of coming to this channel, you're welcome. If you're an old viewer, you're also welcome back to this channel. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. So right away I'm going to need just these three ingredients, and I'm going to use this banana. It is a leftover banana, so I don't want it to be waste. So the only way I can make use of it without wasting is to use it to make my ice cream. And also we are going to make use of a cup of our chilled heavy cream, and also half cup of our condensed milk. That's all we are going to need in today's video. So you can see I have only two stick of banana, so that is it. I don't want it to be waste. I don't like wasting food, so let's get in. We are going to whip this heavy cream. Like I said, you need to let the heavy cream chill. When it's chilled, it can form in this way. If it is not chilled, you can't form it. It can't form like this. So that's the secret. So now the next thing is to slice our banana and also whisk it a bit. So we need to whisk this banana and get it done fast. So I'm using this my whisk, to do the work. So now we are done whisking it. What we need next is, you can see how smooth our banana has become. So we need to stop whisking and add in our half cup of condensed milk. So guys, if you really need to know how to make this condensed milk, I made it in my videos. You can see the thumbnail here. You can visit and watch for yourself on how you'll be making your own condensed milk without buying it. So let's continue with the video. It's time to add in our banana that we have whisked, and nothing else. The next thing is to mix everything together and make sure everything incorporated the way we want it. Once it has already incorporated, the next is nothing else. You stop whisking, but you continue whisking until you get everything incorporate very well. So I always bring out my time to whisk and whisk and whisk. I don't want a situation where I'll be having some text here, I'll not be I want everything to incorporate very well. So now I'm done whisking. The next thing is to transfer it into the small plate or bowl that I use to store it in my freezer. And this is the bowl I have for it, that has cover, so that you can be able to cover it. I transfer it there, and ice cream is ready. This is what I enjoyed with my family during the summer period, because I made the video during the summer period, and it was so fantastic. I don't know if you have seen my strawberry ice cream. My goodness, you need to watch those videos so that you can be able to be making fantastic things for your family. So this is it. It's not hard to make. That is why I put it homemade. You can prepare these things in your own kitchen. So we are done transferring it. We need to, make it to enter very well, sit very well. So the next thing is to pop it into your freezer. Cover it and pop it into your freezer. I always like to leave my own overnight, you understand. So when I leave it overnight, the next morning I'll bring it out, and that is it. So it's ready to pop into the freezer. You can see that. Yeah. So right now is overnight. It has stayed overnight in the freezer. You can see how yummy this is. So I would have loved to let it defreeze a bit, but I could not because I don't have that patience. I don't know if you do have the patience to wait. No. I decided to do it like this, to bring it out, because it has not defreezed very well. It's supposed to have defreezed a bit, but no, I was eager to enjoy my ice cream, especially my family. My kids were like, oh, what of the ice cream you made, mommy? Can't we eat? Can't we lick some ice cream? So I had to pop it out, and here is it. So you can see how fantastic this has become. My goodness, my 2 sticks of banana would have rotten, but I did justice to it, like as usual. So if you like this video, don't hesitate to give us some thumbs up, give me a like, comment to this channel, comment in the video, let me know what you think about this recipe. I'll be grateful, I'll be glad to hear from you. And I want to use this opportunity as well to say thank you for all your support. You all out there are amazing. You all are amazing. I can't thank you enough. So thank you for staying tuned, and see you on my next video. Bye.